flap. Underneath the pectoral fin, come in there, right there is where you make your first cut. Just like that. See that first cut like that, turn it, come down here, right along here, along the dorsal fin. And then as you get through, you go through and then the rest of the way over. So like, come through right here, I turn, I cut. Going right along there, poke through. Make sure you guys can see that. And right out the back. But this is the way I've learned. So I usually pre-take the knife and quick go up here a little bit. Just kind of give it a trim right along the dorsal fin. You can see that bone structure right there. It's easier on bigger bluegills, obviously harder on smaller fish. So you can go and you feel it. Now hear it, listen. You hear that? That's the bone right there. That is your lateral line bone right there, your lateral line. So what I do is I come up a little bit on the lateral line. Almost to the skin basically, and then you'll see the knife, I fold it right back over like that. We'll go in quicker motion. Then I come right down the rib cage and you will get the maximum amount of meat like that. So there's your first fillet. Put that out to the side. Once again, you're going to come right along the pectoral fin, right along here. So that's what we're going to do is go for the maximum amount of meat right up towards the head, towards the head. You can almost even cut it up this way more. And then we'll turn that, come right along the spine again. And you poke through right here. You poke right back through the back side here by the anal fin. So now you'll come right here again. You can see that. There's a little bit of tail left on that time. It makes it easier to clean them off. You can get a hunk of the tail. But so then I just kind of like, I already know I have to come along here. You can feel the bone structure. The back, the spine of the fish. So I'll peel it back here like this. And you can see right there again. And then I go up to the skin. It's real quick. And right back down. Following that rib cage right there. You can clearly see the rib cage right there. And you just go a little bit down and I put my knife right there, cut, and you get another perfect fillet. I'm going to start with the fish here. That's why it is nice to leave the tail on a little bit. I'm going to like kind of do a sawing motion. It's nice to have a flat table like this, not these paper bags underneath here. Make it all kittywampus. So it's really nice to kind of get a smoother, flat surface, cutting surface to do this. But yeah, here's, you can go like this. You don't have to have anything special. And you just kind of see a nice sharp knife. Go right through there and get your fillet off there. Boneless fillet, put it in the water. So yeah, you can see the fillet right there. Saw motion here. See if I can get away with it or not. How sharp my knife really is. I like that little sawing motion. It's hard not to do it for me. But yeah, another boneless fillet. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you once again for watching.